Welcome to
Science Rules! Today we're going to have a Halloween special. Ooh.
We're gonna make witch's brew.
That's right! Witch's brew! And it's going to have some cool explosion fuzzily stuff all around. Okay, so anyway, the first thing we're going to add into the pumpkins is the vinegar. And we're using white vinegar because it works awesomely, but you use any type of vinegar. You can use apple cider. I don't even know what types of vinegar there are, but you know, any kind there is. Don't be embarrassed. Man, children these days. All right, and then we're going to add baking soda as well. So the vinegar will go in about 3/4 of the way. We'll put about a tablespoon into the little pumpkin, and then the other ones, I'm just going to be kind of dumping it inside because we have to do it quickly. And now we're going to do the big pumpkin. Ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. All right, get the lid ready. Here, put the lid on. All right, now we're going to do it with the medium-sized pumpkin, the only white one we have. And this one has the guts in it, so let's see.